So the LG partnership is over 7 years. In that time, we've done a number of things, sponsoring the FA Cup. Now we're a sponsor for the England first team, the Lionesses, and also the E-Lions.
As part of this new facelift to the stadium, the FA are replacing all the access routes at the front. So it gave them opportunity to increase the digital signage and add in some wayfinding and some LED screens. But as well as that, they're looking to replace an existing LED screen that was used for information on the front of the stadium.
We had to design a product that didn't stop light coming into the building. A lot of people using it during the day within atrium areas and great hall banqueting halls. We couldn't block the light, so we had to provide a product that looked aesthetically pleasing internally, but equally externally in the LED element. We had to design that in such a way where you could see it from 20 metres and see it from 120 metres without interfering with the quality.
It feels great to have our products here. Innovation is at the heartbeat of LG and it's within our DNA, so to get the chance to have our products in a stadium like this is great.